Good day, everybody. Meandering Newfoundlander here with my buddy Rex. What do you say, Rex? Anyway, today I was gonna go for a motorcycle ride. It's a decent day. The temperature's around 9 degrees, but I figured, you know what? I'll make this day about Rex. He got diagnosed recently with an illness, and I'm basically spending as much time with him as I can right now. So that's why we're gonna go out to Middle Cove Beach and hang out for a little bit, let him roam around, smell the ocean and that kind of thing, because I know he likes the beaches. So that's where we're off to today. You can join us. There will be drone footage, so there'll be something to look at anyway, besides just me and my dog. Anyway, sit back and enjoy the drive. I know it's different than what it is on a motorcycle, but I can't take my dog on a motorcycle. He doesn't like it. Actually, I've never tried it, but I'm pretty sure he won't, because I did try him on an ATV one time, and that didn't go over so well. So anyway, off to Middle Cove Beach we go, Rex. What do you think? Yeah, you look excited, don't you, buddy? Well, this side of St. John's is foggy compared to my side, so hopefully it's not too bad at around Middle Cove Beach. So I'd hate to get out there and have it be nothing but fog, so I can't fly my drone. Oh well, if I can't fly my drone, that's all I can do, but at the same time, my dog, he will still enjoy the beach regardless. So that's the main thing, I guess. Getting a video is secondary right now. The route we're going to take is the beginning of Marine Drive. It's one of my favorite routes on motorcycle because it takes you all the way through Outer Cove, Middle Cove Beach, Torbay, Flat Rock, Pooch Cove, those areas, out to Balleen. Makes for a great little ride. How you doing, Rex, old buddy? Hey. A little panting, a little out of breath. It'll be all right. We'll get out and get some fresh air in a minute. Hey. You just got to be a little patient with me when I start flying the drone. So this area right here is Outer Cove. Fog is up, so that's not so bad. I can use my drone. Beautiful area this way. It's nicer on sunny days, but it's even better on stormy days when the wind is high and the waves are crashing. It's amazing. Busy spot today. You got a war memorial right there. And I hate flying my drone when it's busy. Dog just sitting there panting. Well, we made it to Middle Cove Beach, as you'll see in a second. I think Rex is looking for somewhere to do his business before we head to the beach. It's just over there. Somebody was painting rocks. The old guy is thirsty. Getting crooked, hey? It's not going the way we want it, is it, hey? I don't think so. What's up, Rex, old buddy? Come here. Not very energetic, are you? Well, I can't say energetic, but I think you want to go, or you just can't. Hey. I think he wants to go home. It was nice to get out. I think it done both of us good to get to the beach. I know it definitely done me good to come to the beach. It's been a while. It's been probably a good couple months or more since I've been down to a beach listening to the ocean sounds. It's kind of nice. What do you think, Rex? My old buddy, going on 13 years old now. He saved my life many times, trust me. Right, Rex? Yeah, my buddy. Go back home and get you a treat. Get in your bed and warm up, because it's a little cool. Definitely no shortage of fire pits. Should almost gather up some wood and come out some night and have a fire. What do you think, Rex? Probably not for you, eh? You'll get too bored. You can do it, buddy. He's in no rush. And I'm not gonna rush him. I'm in no rush either, so that's a good thing. Flopping over there, eh? Looking pretty relaxed over there, Rex, buddy. Go home and get you a treat, eh? We'll be home in 18 minutes. My good old buddy. Well, that is it for this video. It's a short one today. Some of you are probably cheering like, yes, thank God, no more 35-minute videos. Now, I'm glad I decided to take the dog instead of go for a motorcycle ride. As much as I love to go for a motorcycle ride, because I know the days are limited, still, this feels much better for the soul, that's for sure. And I think he appreciated it. He looks pretty tired there now. Gets sleepy easier. Yeah, he's my buddy. Going on 13 years, and I don't know how many times he's saved my life, seriously. His fur soaked up a lot of tears, because quite often I'd use him as a pillow and snuggle into when I'm having a bad day. And he helps make it all go away. So the least I can do is sacrifice a motorcycle ride, take him out to enjoy some nice ocean smells, right? Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for tagging along with me and my dog. And I'll see you in the next video.